In today's video, I want to go through how to use intelligent image resizing in Thrive Architect. This is a new feature which they've just added that allows us to edit images much quicker than before, saving us time, and it's much more efficient. My name is Richard. This is the School of Nomads. You can find me at theschoolofnomads.com. Please don't forget to subscribe to the video and hit the like if you find this useful, and check out the link in my description below if you want to learn how you can make money online by making short tutorial videos like this one. So let's jump straight over to my website and I'll go through the new feature with you. So we're over on my website. First thing I want to do is add a new page. So I'll just call this one Test. Launch Thrive Architect. So I'm going to choose this landing page as my template. So I want to use this image here as an example. If I wanted to change this image, all I need to do is go over to the left hand side, hit the replace, and then allow you to go and find another image from your library. In this case, I'll just use this one as an example. If I want to change the size of the image, all I need to do is look at these vertical handles here and use those handles to pull the image larger and smaller. If I want to move the image inside the box, I can just use my mouse key to move the image around to get it in a better location. And then these corners will allow me to change the size of the image overall without disturbing the aspect ratio here. So it's just a lot quicker than having a classic crop type function, and allows me to do a lot more editing with this image very quickly. Thanks for watching. Hope you found this video useful. Please hit the like below and leave a comment. If you've got any questions about any other Thrive Architect features, you can catch me on richard@schoolofnomads.com. And if you're interested in how you can make money by making small tutorial videos online, go ahead and click the link below in the description.